Hello and welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert video files into a sequence of JPEG images usable in your Scratch projects. So to get started, we're going to go to FFmpeg Online, which is a WebAssembly port of FFmpeg, which is the Swiss Army knife of video conversion tools that allows us to do this. So we're going to click this button right here. Then we're going to select our video file. For this example, I'm going to select this short 6-second video clip I recorded, but obviously you can do longer videos if you wish. So we're going to click open. Then for our output options, we're going to do -VF FPS 15, QV 8, which is a nice balance between quality and file size. And since my video is 16:9 and larger than 480p, I'm going to do -S, which is for scaling, 854 by 480. If your video is 4:3 and smaller than 720p, you don't need to add this command, but since mine is, I'm just going to do it. So right here, we have our output field. We're going to replace MP4 with JPG, and then we're going to add %04D, and now we can click run. And then here's our zip file containing all of our video frames, so we can just extract it right here. And then here is all of our video frames. We're not quite done yet. We need to do one more thing. So right here, you can just clear this field, then clear this, then replace it with .mp3. This gets our audio of the video, if your video has audio, of course. So we're going to click run. Then we can download the mp3 and then save it. So now we can go back onto the project and then create a new sprite, then upload costume, then go into the folder with all the video frames, and then you can just press Ctrl+A to select all the frames, and then click open. And then here's all of our video frames right here. We can just get rid of the first blank costume. And now we can get to the part where we code the video player. For this part, you'll need 3 variables. So the first variable being delta time. We'll get into this later, why it's important for this sprite only. Last timer for the delta time, and then video frame. So to get started, we're going to code the delta time function. So we're going to set delta time to 0, set last timer to the timer block, and then forever set delta time to timer minus last timer, and then set last timer to timer. Then when we click the green flag, we'll get the time between the currently rendered frame and the last frame in milliseconds right here. So now we can get to the video playing part. So for this, you're going to want to go into the costumes and then scroll all the way down until you find the last costume, so 102. So we're going to put green flag right here, repeat until greater than right here 102. So, and then video frame greater than 102 right here. And now you're want to go and drag switch costume to video frame, and then video frame, and then we're going to do delta time times the video frame rate we put, which is 15. The reason we're doing this by delta time is whenever your project lags, there is a chance that it's going to desync from the audio that is playing. Speaking of which, now we can upload the audio. We're going to delete the pop sound, and then upload sound, and then get your audio file that was converted right here. And as you can hear, our audio is playing. And now we can just slap that on top of the stack right here. And now we can initialize our video frame to 1. And now that we click the green flag, the video is playing with its audio. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, please consider leaving a like or even subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.